Yo, what's good, guys? It's your boy Vladimir. We're back for day 6 on the journey to 10K a month using copywriting. So, yesterday we set out the goals to start hurry up the designs for the sales page that we have for my client. And I have been doing that. And but lately I've noticed that I've been trying to put so many different things on my plate while not focusing on the things that I should be. So I've been doing a lot of other work that could be put away or done at a later time, but I decided to do it now because I'm just in the mood apparently, and I should be focusing on the main task that's fully finishing that sales page and sending it out because we do have the deadline of not 6 more days, till Saturday, and it's Tuesday right now. And mm, yeah, so I'm gonna completely try to change my mindset and stop getting unfocused on the task at hand. I'll be trying new tactics. I'm thinking of I have a lot of like clutter in my computer, like always a bunch of tabs open or something like that. I'll optimize that and just always have a clean and just straightforward working space so I know exactly what to work on, where to work on it. Um, yeah. So also, I don't really want to overwork myself because I've noticed in the past when I worked at such a high altitude, not altitude, volume, I started slowly where getting tired and just like getting lazy because of just the constant work. But I learned if I just take like a day or something to take my mind off and just rest a little bit, I'll be able to put my full effort again into another cycle without having to fall into the loop of going on my phone or even playing video games and then just sticking to short-term dopamine when I could just go for a run, um, go play basketball or something like that. And today I put that into effect. Today I went to go play basketball with some of my buddies, and I think that really helped me just take a breather basically from copywriting and all the things that entice with them. So so because like I was saying that I was working on multiple things at once, I already started making a squeeze page and just writing down different ideas and start doing some research on my client's company and also what would work good with other things that I want to do for her. So but tomorrow we have is when I start my 3 day uh live webinar with Russell Brunson, 11 to 6. So I'll be doing that and taking notes and just using the notes to iterate. Iterating is basically when you just see better versions of like copy, cause and just try to see what's different from yours and then improve it in yours. Same goes with if somebody checks your copy and puts comments, you look at why they commented that and what you could change next time to make it better. So Yeah, I also today I made a note file on my phone where basically I wrote down a to-do list and I want to consistently, and I have a streak on the bottom to keep count of how well I do it. And because today was last night I made it, today I finished it. It goes, yeah, y'all could see right here. It's just to-do list, and so it doesn't. There's no particular order. I just have. It's just ways that I can get small wins and just be able to motivate myself to keep going and just keep winning. So I have Bible reading, book reading, take notes on a piece of copy or a video, outreach to one person, YouTube post YouTube video, 30 do 33-minute alarm of straight copywriting. So I'll just set an alarm for 33 minutes and just laser focus into my computer, into the Google Doc where I just keep writing copy till the timer runs out. And then I'll work on client work, so that's research and different topics that is at hand at the moment. And because I completed, I'm gonna make it one, and hopefully we can keep doing that while we're going with the series. And it'll be cool to see how high I could get next time. Um, yeah, I always have that problem where I get dismotivated, like I said before, and I'm gonna try to pivot and learn from my uh, mistakes from last time and be able to uh, stop that from happening again. Yeah, you guys might think this like a small to-do list or like the numbers are small, like 33-minute or one person. But the whole point of it is for the small wins. I'm not saying that's the max that I should do. That's just basically the minimum. So like the outreach to one person, that's just for me to start outreaching because after you do it once for the day and feel accomplished, you're gonna keep doing because like why send one email when you can send six? And then because you never know your next email might get you that client that's gonna um give you that time freedom you wanted, maybe even that money freedom and everything, just the freedom and happiness that you've been waiting for, just in the next funnel, just like Russell Brunson says. I think that really resonates with me, and it's a great way to motivate yourself. Just have that mindset where the next outreach or next whatever is gonna be the winning one, and you just gotta keep going. So I think I've lately getting have gotten my mental state better, and just I think I'm ready to steamroll and actually speed run to 10K a month, and I want you guys to be there on the journey. So soon I'm gonna make a Discord or a school where we can all join as a community and we could review copy or even go over quick tips and tricks and think just, you know, for networking and all those type of things. Uh, yeah. So also I'm planning on making a big longer form YouTube video with actual edits and everything like that to show you guys. I want to teach you guys and just give this quick course, not course, but just a quick informing YouTube video. Just to teach you guys some things. Yeah, so I'm gonna go keep working on the funnel that I was talking about with the sales page and everything. I want to keep adding to that until I have to log off for the night. All right, I'll see you guys.